Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Since Day One. Before we get into this video about R. Kelly, Azriel Clary, and Joycelyn Savage, go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and if you're new, smash that subscribe button to take flight with us.
Fake love, I don't need it, you can keep it as a fact. I had to make up my mind. I took that weight on my shoulder. I
have been wondering for a while now, you guys, why they moved R. Kelly to general population anyway. I really just Google R. Kelly and then give my commentary on the articles I find on Google, such as this one, y'all. R. Kelly reportedly denied conjugal visits when his girlfriends visit him in jail, you guys. Like, what type of stuff is that? Like, the media be covering some crazy stuff, y'all, for real. Like, first of all, seriously, they're not even married or anything. And the singer R. Kelly has reportedly been denied conjugal visits when his two girlfriends came to see him in prison. The visit comes after the singer was transferred to general population. R. Kelly has recently been transferred into general population after being in solitary confinement. Although Gen Pop provides more leniency, the R&B singer isn't getting the type of visits he'd hoped for. But what do you expect, boy? What is your charges? What you in there for? You think they just gonna be letting you slang ping? R. Kelly's lawyer, Steve Greenberg, revealed that R. Kelly's girlfriends, Joycelyn Savage and Azriel Clary, are planning to go visit R. Kelly in prison in Chicago very soon. Joycelyn Savage and Azriel Clary will reportedly be making the trip on a more frequent basis in order to keep him company, but touching will be kept to a minimal. However, contact will be kept limited to a hug to greet them and a goodbye hug. Besides not being able to have relations in jail, Azriel and Joycelyn also aren't allowed to bring him any food or treats. I mean, what did they think that this was? This ain't no day camp or something? What? R. Kelly's recent transition from solitary confinement to Gen Pop has allowed for him to get fresh air and be in a bigger space with other inmates. And with his new privileges to have visitors, the singer reportedly has been getting along with inmates, as many still see him as a legendary figure in music. My question is, why would they give him conjugal visits with Azriel and Joycelyn knowing the situation? Leave your thoughts and opinions down below and let me know how y'all feel about this situation, because it's crazy and I just can't take it no more. Like, ooh. So long, sleeping from sofa to sofa. Now I'ma step on these little bitty bitches in some brand new Gucci low. Some Gucci walking on. I got tired of eating Big Mama's chicken. Now it's business when I want.